In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the washer fluid filler tube on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located behind the right front inner fender well. Let's get into it. Using a 17mm socket, we want to take these lug bolts out. And before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling, take this last one off, grab the wheel, and pull it off. Now we're going to take the inner fender well out, use a 8mm socket, take this bolt out, and this one, and on the other side, 8mm socket, take that out. And switching to a 10mm socket, we're going to take this nut off. Take that out. And there's some push pins right here. I'm going to pop those out. Just use a trim tool. Might need a small pick to push the center out, just so it comes out easier. Pop that out. There should be another one at the base. And remove this screw, 8mm socket. It's loose. Underneath, we're going to take these screws out, use a 8mm socket. And right here, there's a nut. I'm going to use a 10mm socket for that. Take that nut off. You can grab this panel, pull it down, out of the way. Back here, there should be a nut. Use a 10mm socket, take that off. This vehicle doesn't have that. Just pull down the inner fender well. Get it past this stud. And it comes right out. Now with a drain bucket underneath, we can pop this hose off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop the clip off. Might lose a little bit of washer fluid, depending on how full your system is. Pop that off and unclip it from the retainer right there. Up top, there's a little tab right here. You just want to push that in, just using a straight blade screwdriver. Slide it off the bracket, and then just grab the tube and just twist it back and forth and pull it through. I'm going to take the new tube, feed it through the same way the old one came out. You can grab it down below if it helps. Twist it, get this lined up, lock that in place. And just take the tube and slide it onto the bracket. Now take the tube, line that up, lock it down. Now take the inner fender well, get this lined up. Good underneath. Get this lined up. It's clipped in. All right, that looks good. If you have that plastic nut, you want to put that on. It was missing on this vehicle. And take this shield, this is going to go up here. Take that nut, get that started. Snug that down. And the screws underneath here. Get those started and tighten those down. One more right there. Now I'll get the push pins in, snap those in place, lock those down. Now put these screws in, snug that down, and the plastic nut, get that on, snug that down, and up top, snug it down. And now the screws on this side. Get that one started first, just so I can line this one up. And snug those down. Now you want to fill your washer fluid. Use the correct type of washer fluid that you like. And just fill it up. Once it's full, push the cap back down. Now take the wheel, line it up, get that started. And put the other lug bolts in. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque these lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. That's good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.